If I handed you $1,000 right now, would you know the smartest thing to do with it? Most people don't, and that's why they stay broke. It's not your fault. Nobody teaches money in school. But stick around. In the next 7 minutes, I'll show you 5 simple rules that can change everything. Most people learn about money the hard way. Overdraft fees, credit card debt, living paycheck to paycheck. The system is designed to confuse you. But here's the truth. Money has a playbook, and once you know it, you win. The first rule, pay yourself first. Most people save whatever's left after bills. Wrong move. Flip it. Move 10 to 20% into savings or investments before you touch a dollar. Think about it. If you do this automatically, you're rich by default. Second, master your credit. Your score affects apartments, loans, even jobs. Keep utilization under 30%. $1,000 to limit? Never carry more than $300. Want the shortcut? Pay on time, every time, and your score climbs. Third, avoid bad debt. Mortgages can build wealth, but high-interest debt? That kills it. Car loans, payday loans, credit cards you can't pay off, those are traps. If it loses value the moment you buy it, financing it is financial quicksand. Fourth, build an emergency fund. Life happens. Job loss, medical bills, flat tires. Without savings, one emergency wipes you out. But with 3 to 6 months saved, you go from panic to peace overnight. Fifth, invest early. Compound interest is your cheat code. $100 a month at 18 could turn into $500,000 by retirement. Wait until 40, and you'll need 4 times as much to catch up. So here's the kicker. It's not how much you invest, it's how early. Let's recap. Pay yourself first, master credit, avoid bad debt, build an emergency fund, invest early. These are boring basics, but boring is what builds wealth. Here's your challenge. Pick one of these basics and start today. Drop in the comments which one you're committing to. And if you're ready to level up from basics to mastery, hit subscribe. Because here at Money Moves, we help you learn, save, stack,